Welcome to Metals versus Nonmetals, a quick guide. Ever wonder what makes a spoon different from a pencil? Today, we'll quickly learn about metals and nonmetals. Every material around us is made of elements, which are categorized into metals and nonmetals based on their distinct properties. Let's start with metals. They have some very unique characteristics. Metals are known for their beautiful luster and shine. Think of gold and silver. They are also malleable, meaning they can be hammered into sheets, and ductile, meaning they can be drawn into wires, like copper. Crucially, metals are excellent conductors of heat and electricity. This is why cooking pots are made of metal. Now let's look at nonmetals, which are quite the opposite. Unlike metals, nonmetals typically have a dull, non-lustrous appearance, like coal or sulfur. They are also brittle, meaning they break easily and cannot be shaped like metals. Nonmetals are generally poor conductors of heat and electricity, making them good insulators, like wood or plastic. Where do we see these in our daily lives? Metals are essential in electronics, vehicles, and building structures due to their strength and conductivity. Nonmetals, like oxygen and nitrogen, are vital components of the air we breathe and are found in all living things. You've just learned how to tell the difference between metals and nonmetals. Remember, metals are shiny, malleable, ductile, and conductive. Nonmetals are dull, brittle, and poor conductors. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.